IT raids were conducted on the house of Kamal Hassan's party treasurer. Former TMC minister Madan Mitra was questioned by the ED today in an 8-year-old Sharda chit fund scam as well. Here's a wrap on all that's happening.
It's election time and the central enforcement agencies are back in action. Raids, summons and arrests every day in the poll-going states. The Income Tax Department conducted searches at the premises linked to Kamal Hassan's party Makkal Nidhi Mayyam's treasurer Chandrasekhar in 8 locations at Tirupur, Dharapuram and Chennai districts of Tamil Nadu. The Income Tax Department in its statement has said that the search resulted in seizure of unaccounted cash of 11.5 crores, 80 crore unaccounted income detected in the searches. Seizure of large unaccounted cash will reduce the possibility of its utilization for electoral purpose. The IT department has stepped up its monitoring and is closely watching the cash movement. Distancing himself and the party from the searches, Makkal Nidhi Mayyam's chief Kamal Hassan responded to the raids.
என்னை பாதிக்காதுங்க, கட்சியும் பாதிக்காது. அது தனி நபர் மேல வர ரைடு. மக்கள் நீதி மேல் ரைடுனா அதற்கு பதில் சொல்லணும். அது வராது. எங்களுடைய சிஎஃப்ஓ பதில் சொல்வார். எப்ப வேணா கூப்பிட்டு கேட்கலாம், அவர் பதில் சொல்வார். இது என்னங்கிறது பார்ப்போம். ஒருவேளை அது எலெக்ஷன் நேரத்து வியாதியாக கூட இருக்கலாம்.
While it's the Income Tax Department in Tamil Nadu, CBI and ED are in action in West Bengal, mostly targeting the TMC leaders and their associates in the state. The Enforcement Directorate earlier this week arrested Vikas Mishra, the brother of TMC youth leader Vinay Mishra, in an alleged coal mining scam, and also attached their residential property in Kolkata. The ED today questioned former TMC minister Madan Mitra in the 8-year-old Sardha chit fund scam case. After walking out of 5 hours of questioning, Madan Mitra questioned the timing of the summons in the middle of the elections.
It's a routine thing. Enforcement Directorate is an authorized agency as per the constitution and the legal side of the country. So they have called, have come.
While the central agencies are expediting their investigation in the cases involving TMC leaders, that doesn't seem to be the case when it comes to turncoats from TMC to the BJP. Suvendu Adhikari, former TMC leader who's contesting against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Nandigram, is an accused in a CBI case but is yet to be charge-sheeted, awaiting the go-ahead from the Lok Sabha Secretariat for the last 2 years.
Though the central law enforcement agencies maintain that their actions aren't politically influenced, the opposition parties question the timing of the summons and searches. TMC Lok Sabha MP Saugata Rai has moved a resolution urging upon the centre to bring CBI under the control of Lokpal so as to function independently without any alleged undue influence. With camera person Pawan Kumar, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.